To begin, right-click on the Start button, and then select Settings from the menu that appears. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of options. Please click on Personalization. Now, in the right pane of the window, find and select the Fonts option. If you would like to explore additional font choices, you can click on Get More Fonts from Microsoft Store. Alternatively, you can simply select a font directly from the list displayed on your screen. This is how straightforward it is to change your system font. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.